Welcome to Fight That Guy on TV. Take your positions. Ready. Fight. No, wait, sorry, wrong script. This is Learn to Juggle with Bob from Canada. In this video, you will learn the 3-ball cascade. No shower, no columns, no box, and no whatever that is. Let's begin. Most things that can be held in one hand can be juggled. But let's start with something easy like fruit, balled up socks, or juggling balls. Before we begin, let me explain. Juggling happens in an invisible box. The balls from the normal cascade are caught here in the corner, carried to near the middle, and thrown from here to the other corner. Same on both sides. Middle to corner, middle to corner. The ball follows a path of an elongated infinity symbol, and the hands make circles. The balls cross in the middle of the square, and each ball peaks at 1/3 of the top of the square, just a bit above the head. Your throws should look like this. Try it together, and by the end of the video, you could be juggling. It may not be very exciting at the moment, but the more you practice with one ball, the easier 2 and the easier 3 will be. Let me show you the secret to the perfect throw. Hold the ball in the hand with the fingers comfortably supporting it. Without moving your arm, quickly open the hand and the ball pops out and gets a little height from the tension of the hand. With a little bit of movement from the arm and good timing, you can get good height with little effort. Notice that the ball does not roll off the end of the fingers. And now for a juggling game. Throw up the ball, clap the hands. When you get this, try with the other hand. And then throw it higher and clap twice. Then try 3 times. Try for 4. See how many you can get in each hand. Make it a challenge. This is your first applause. Congratulations. Now you are ready for 2. 2 balls are as easy as 1. The new challenge is timing. Hold 1 ball in each hand. The first ball is thrown exactly like before with 1 ball. The second ball is thrown at the timing when the first ball gets to the apex of the parabola, or at the top of the rainbow where the Care Bears will slide down. This is the time that you throw the second ball. It looks like this. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Each hand does the same throw. Try starting with one hand and then with the other. Starting with the other hand is a good way to correct this habit. Practice this a bit, and you will be soon ready for 3. Before we move on to 3, let's play another game. Just like before, throw up the ball, clap, and catch the ball. But this time, clap in a different place. Try clapping under your leg, or clapping behind your back. Or throw it up and clap behind your head. When this becomes easy, try clapping in 2 different places. Or even all 3. Three balls are just as easy as 2 balls, and 2 balls are just as easy as 1. So you should be juggling in no time. The new challenge is to start with 2 balls in one hand. The hand with 2 is the hand that you start with. Hold 1 ball in the palm supported by the last 2 fingers, and the other with the first 2 fingers and the thumb. This is the first ball to be thrown, and then the other. Your first goal is to get all of the balls out of your hands in an even rhythm. So try this. Throw, 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 drop, drop, drop. Now look at how they land and listen to the rhythm. Try this again. Throw, 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 drop, drop, drop. Now try to catch the last one. So it's throw, 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 drop, drop, catch. When this works, try to catch the last 2. And then all 3. Only do this last one a couple times because your goal is to continue juggling. Once you get 6 catches in a row, you can call yourself a juggler. Okay, take 2. Learn to juggle from Bob. Take 2. Welcome to Fight That. Oops, sorry, I'm breaking stuff in here. I'll start again. Oh, wrong mouse. That doesn't work for that computer. Welcome to Fight That Guy on TV. On TV, on TV. This is how to learn. This is learn how to juggle. Learn how to learn. This is how. The balls in the normal in the normal bathtub are usually very clean because they just came out of the bath.